back to my channel. My name is Angel. So if this is your first time tuning into my channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button so you can become a part of the gang. And make sure you hit that notification bell so you won't miss any more of my uploads. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this super matte makeup look using all products that are from the drugstore. So just keep on watching. So here we are, sis, with another makeup tutorial. So jumping right into it, I'm gonna go ahead and start off with the eyes. So my eyes are gonna be super simple and super basic. My eyelids are already primed and my brows are already done. I'm gonna be going ahead and go in with some of this Maybelline Hyper Easy eyeliner. This eyeliner is super easy to put on, you guys. Like if you are a beginner or wanting to know or wanting to learn how to do a liquid work with liquid liners and do a wing liner, this is going to be it for you because it's super simple. It's just like a pen. And I love this liner because it is super matte, which goes along with the whole ensemble that we have going on in today's video, sis. So let's go ahead and do some wing liner. Oh my gosh, you guys, like this liner is super black and super matte. And as you guys can see, we are going with a super bold liner. Doing wing liner on camera, you guys, is no joke at all. Like the lighting is going in and out. Like I'm trying to make sure I got my wings right. I'm trying to make sure you guys can see me. Like sis, it's just the most.com. So the wing liner is on, and now I'm just gonna apply my lashes. And the lashes I'm using are the AliExpress D108 lashes. These lashes are beautiful, you guys. Like I've used them several times. They're super big, which is what I want in the look that I'm going for. So lashes are on. So now we're gonna go ahead and move on to the face because pretty much the eyes are finished. For primer, I am using my Rimmel London Stay Matte Primer. I love this primer because it keeps my oils at bay, especially when I tend to get oily in my T-zone area. It's a really good and affordable drugstore primer. So moving on, keeping everything matte, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation. And I know it looks like I used a shit ton of foundation, which I really did. But I feel like with this, with the Maybelline Matte and Poreless Foundation, like you really have to use quite a bit. Like you do have to be very generous, especially to get the type of coverage and the look that you want. Because this is not a little bit and go foundation, especially if you have some areas that you would like to cover on your skin, like you do have dark marks or acne scarring or something like that. Like sis, you need a lot. And then concealer, I'm going in with my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer, and this concealer also claims to be a matte concealer as well. And hopefully you guys cannot hear my fan because it gets super hot in here. And then to set the areas that I highlighted, I'm just going to use my Black Opal setting powder. And this is their Soft Velvet Finishing Natural Matte Finish powder. So this is also going to give us that matte finish that we're going for. And what I do is basically just press that powder in my skin. I'm not baking or anything, but I'm just making sure that I press it in so that I can get that really full coverage matte look that we got going on, sis. So now I'm going to go ahead and snatch my nose, and of course I'm using my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Powder. I really want to try this powder for like an all over face powder, but I'm not sure if they really have my shade, but it is a really nice shade to contour my nose with. Like, I love it. It's not super harsh, but it does give me a little, you know, a little something, a little 1-2, you know, it snatched me up a bit. And I'm not gonna lie, during all this quarantine and everything else that's going on in the world, honey, like, we all could use a little snatching. So I love this powder. Like, I'm so glad I switched over. My nose contour no longer looks super muddy or anything. Like, it's just like the perfect shade. And then I just like to go back over the nose contour with my sponge, just to make it look even more natural. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and set the rest of my face using my Black Radiance Soft Focus powder. And I love this powder, you guys. Like, if you have fine lines, if you have pores, if your makeup just really needs to be set in general, it's going to give you a very flawless finish. And it is a natural kind of matte finish. Like, it's not too cakey or crazy or anything, but it gives really nice coverage. And then for my contour, I'm going to be using this Milani Press Powder in the shade Earth Glow. I love this as a bronzer because it literally has little to no shimmer in it. And sometimes bronzers can be overly, I'm just dropping everything, y'all. But sometimes bronzers can be like overly shimmery. But I love this one because it's, you know, it's not too crazy. And this one is a lot warmer than what I normally go for, but honey, like, give me all the contour, all the bronzer. I need it, honey. As soon as the summertime, well, hell, it's really already summer, but as soon as we can go outside, sis, and we can go to the beach and we can get some sun, I know that this bronzer is going to be really beautiful against my tan skin. And then for blush, I'm just going to be taking this Wet n Wild blush, and this one is in the shade Mellow Wine. And this is like the only blush that I had that didn't have too much shimmer in it. And since I'm going to be doing a bold lip, I don't want too much going on the cheeks, nothing too crazy. So I just decided to go with this one. It's a very neutral, light kind of blush. And then for lips, I'm just going to go ahead and wipe off this excess lip chap that I had on my lips. And just for my bottom lashes, I'm going to apply some of my MAC mascara. Nothing crazy. I just want something on my bottom lash line. And then of course I just fill in my mole. My bottom lashes are literally everything, you guys. Like, that mascara like just does something to them. So moving on to my lips, I was gonna spray my face, but sometimes spraying my face can kind of give me a dewy look, and we do want a super matte look. Hence, we're not applying any highlighter, nothing extra, sis. So for my lip, I have two different options. I have the e.l.f. matte liquid lipstick. I just picked this up from Walmart today, you guys. I was dying to try this because it just looks really gorgeous. And it's really hard to find red lipsticks that are from the drugstore that are especially liquid lipsticks that are good quality, and red in general, because I like a more blue undertone red lipstick. It really just makes your teeth whiter and your skin tone pop, especially for us melon and us brown girls. This was really pretty. This was by Wet n Wild, and she hot. Like, she's super hot. Like, she's really pretty. And then this one, the container is actually frosted, so it's kind of hard to see what this one actually looks like. I think I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. I think I'm gonna go ahead and use the e.l.f. one because I have not tried this one before. I'm literally over here like eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Like, one's a little deeper, but they both have a blue undertone. I'm gonna go ahead and try this one. Why not, I guess, since I've never tried it before. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and line my lips using some of the ColourPop lip liner, and this one's in the shade Ellery. Okay, so this is not really the look that I was going for. I wanted something a lot more brighter, but sis, like, this is gorgeous. This is the most cherry looking vintage smooth extra matte gorgeous ass matte liquid lipstick I have seen. Like, this formula is giving me very much so Anastasia vibes. Like, it's very smooth, very matte, velvet on the lips. It's super matte, not transferring at all. Like, girl, where you going? This cute, sis. This is beautiful. Like, I am loving this. And this red is kind of giving me like a vintage pinup type of red. The other red was a lot more bold and a lot more vibrant. And you guys, for some reason, I have been just wanting to do a makeup look using some red lipstick. So this is not going to be the first. I'm definitely going to use this on camera because I want to show you guys that the drugstore really does have some nice options for liquid lipsticks that are super affordable. Really, I would have to say these are my favorite two red lipsticks from the drugstore, period. And this became my favorite in literally like 5 minutes. Like, this is beautiful. So that is pretty much it for this makeup look, you guys. If you guys enjoyed this look, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. And if you love this channel, honey, go ahead and smash that subscribe button so you can become a part of the gang. So that is pretty much it. Remember to be blessed and follow your dreams. And I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah.